Open the output of a shell command in a split pane. Consider any interpreted programming language. I can run the currently open script using interpreter %, and use the return key to return to Vim after the execution is finished. Is it somehow possible to not replace the current window with the output of the executed shell command, but open the output in a new split pane instead? I would like to still see my source code during the execution of my script. I tried column split, interpreter %, but it didn't work. Is there a way? I am using Vim 7.3.
With column, the external command is executed in a shell, and the fleeting output isn't captured inside Vim. You just see what gets printed to the terminal, then Control returns to Vim after the external command finishes. To keep the output, you have to read it into a Vim buffer. For that, there's the column read command. To open a new Scratch buffer, combine this with column new. If you want to pass the current buffer's file name, % to the external command, you have to use column execute so that it is already evaluated in the current buffer. Or, you use the fact that with a new buffer, the previous one becomes the alternate one, and use hash instead of %. Get rid of the Scratch buffer with column delete. If you want to see the output asynchronously while it executes, you need an external multiplexer, or a plugin, as mentioned in at Chaos Answer.
As far as I know, you cannot do that in Vim. But use a terminal multiplexer like Screen for that. Before opening a Vim, start the multiplexer. Then press Ctrl+A+S for horizontal and Ctrl+A for a vertical split screen. Now open a file in Vim in one of the split screens, and jump to the other screen using Ctrl+A tab. Notice that, in the second screen you first have to open a new screen, Ctrl+AC, before you can use it. In the screen with Vim you can edit the file, and in the other screen you can execute it and see the messages in the code permanently. Here a quick reference for Screen.
Function.